Are we live? Sounds like it to me. Okay, now I gotta share this around, and then we can start going into game dev. Getting used to this. Let's see, my channel. That's not the right thumbnail I wanted for this video. That's fine, I guess. Let's see, copy this, paste. Raccoon. I can't see. Live. Let me change that real quick. Also, let me know if I'm too quiet or anything like that, even though I'm sure no one's here yet. Edit live stream. Gotta change the thumbnail. Perfect. There we go. Well, now this website's frozen. That's great. Okay, they're saved. Let's see. Right? Let's see. Now I have a few goals for today. I'm probably gonna write those down soon. Let's see. Alright, so let's go into the correct scene. I think this one's it. There we go. Let me make sure that's doing the thing I want to. Alright, cool. Let's get into this then. So the few tasks I want to get done right now. Let me just like make a new script. To do .gd. Let's go in there, and then let's just frickin' there we go. To do make shelves that you can click on and get items. Then we're going to make characters that can walk around, make cars that drive around a path. What else could I work on? Surely there's something else. I don't know. We'll just get started with this, and then we'll move on from there. We got the There we go. Okie dokie. Well, let's get started. So here's my character script. I'm gonna change this so now the player can look down. Rotation degrees. I want to cap the rotation at -15 and +15. So I'm going for that Doom style look. So for right now, it's gonna be, that didn't work. You can see the game. It takes a second for the game to show up. So why didn't, oh, because I didn't make that. Here we go. Hello. Yeah, now we can look up and down a little bit. It takes a second for whenever I launch the game for it to show up in OBS, so there we go. Now we can look up and down a little bit, which is good. Now, I want to add a raycast to this. This raycast is going to, player raycast. This raycast is going to help us detect if we're looking at an object and if we can interact with it. So, nope. We want that to be on the z-axis, the negative z-axis. And then we're gonna move this up to where the camera is. So 1.5. And then we also can make it a child of the camera so that it's all one little thing. Alright, now all we have to do is on ready raycast, var raycast equals player camera slash player raycast. Then we're gonna go down here, and then we're gonna have a section for raycasting. If raycast is colliding, then we're gonna get what it's colliding with. Which equals raycast dot get collider. There we go. And right now that won't do anything because there's nothing to raycast to. So if I run the game, give it a second, it will just not show up. So there's nothing to raycast to. So what we want to do is, we have to add some kind of object to our world scene. And right now we just have this map that we're going to use as a layout for our game. Let's say, oh, you can't see the, I guess you can't see the window whenever I open them. That's not particularly good. I guess it would be fine if I just showed the whole window, whole screen. There we go. So we're gonna make a static body. We're gonna call this shelf, and then we're gonna add collision shape 3D. Go down in here, shape box. Ooh, that's itty bitty. Let's make this big. 10 by 10, 10. There we go. And then up by 5, so it's flush with the ground-ish. And then we're just gonna, oh fuck. Then we're gonna add a mesh instance 3D, just so we have something to visually see while we're working on this. Hello. How's it going? How's everyone doing on this fine evening? So then, so there's two ways we can go around this. We can either add this to a class, or we can add this to a group. And I think, let's see. I think the easier way of going about this would be to add this to a group. So we're going to add this to a group called shelf. Alright, now, if we go back to the player, if raycast collision is in group shelf, then we're just gonna print I'm a shelf. And that should call every frame. Also, I don't know where that is. I think this is it over here. Good. I'm glad my keyboard sounds properly clicky. There we go. So now when we look at this, it says I'm shelf, which is exactly what we want. I'm gonna get a test image. I don't want that. Here we go. Let's see. Go to game dev. No, this is the wrong one. Oof. Documents, game dev. Go for projects. No, that's not right. There we go. Okay. Now, if I go back here, go to player, we're going to, over the camera, we're going to add a control node. Or no, we're going to add a canvas layer on top of that. So we're going to call this game GUI. Then we're going to call this GUI control. There we go. Now, since I added something, we can add a bag of chips. And now what we want to do is we want to show this bag of chips. We click on the which button is it? This one. Oops. We want to add this bag of chips. Now we want to make it so this bag of chips shows up whenever we click on the thing on the shelf. So we're gonna hide that for now. Go back to player. On ready for chips. Player camera chips. We're going to add a input called click new action. Click. Then we're gonna add mouse button, left mouse button. Okay. I guess we should add also the other ones too. So let's say Xbox A. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. If input is action just pressed, click. Then we check the raycast, and if the raycast is colliding with the shelf, then we'll just show the chips. Chips dot show. I put the link in the description to the music, so hopefully that answers your question. I forgot that you have to make sure that the mouse is not snap. No problem. Make sure it's not snap so that it doesn't interfere with our camera control. Now, if I click on this, we got our chips. And it's as simple as that. That's how game development works, baby. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to go back to this, I think. And I'm going to add a bunch of more chips. Just a bunch. And then I'm going to just frickin' rotate them randomly, then move them randomly. Chips, chips, chips. Chippy chip. Now, if I go into here and I just move them around like this, then I can there. Now this is just like temporary, but get the vision. On ready, chips list. Now we're gonna make an array. I think like this. Oh. We're just gonna add. How many did I add? 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, I think it's 7. 2, 3, 4, 5. Fuck. 6, 7. And now, excuse me. Var chip counter equals 0. So now, we want to, if we click on this and it's in group shelf, then we want to chips list, chips count, I think. I name it chip counter. What does it say? I think I want these to be brackets, not. Unexpected indent. Oh, there we go. There we go. And then we just want to make a check if chip counter greater than chips list dot length dot size, then chip counter equals chipless dot size. Now I want to hide all these. Now if I go back into the game, go back to the square, why am I mixing snake casing and camel casing? For fun. Just for fun. You're right, though. I think I need to fix it. I think I was going to do snake casing for code and then camel casing for objects. And I think I just fucked up somewhere. But I'll fix it. So now if I add... I think I need to make this greater than or equal to. Yeah. Chips list. Chip counter. There we go. Chip counter. There, is that better? Now, if I go back in, now it should work the way I want to. Do 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 do. Fuck. So, do I want it to be size -1? Probably. I can't wait for this game to go from potato to actually good. That's my goal. There we go. Now we just have the chips. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Obviously, I'm gonna re-go over this and make it look better, but this is what we have for now. So, I'm gonna go back to this scene because I have to open something up that I don't want to show on stream. Let's go to here. Here we go. So, I'm actually working with someone on this project, and they gave me an asset to work with, and that's what I'm going to be doing. Game dev. No, not that one. I hate Windows so much. Ghetto projects. Vampiric Munchies. Tests. There we go. Potato game with potato chip. What? There's just... What are reactions, and why can't... Do they block messages a little bit? Oh well. So this is the asset they... Oops, Rooks. This is the asset they gave me to work with. It's a guy walking around. So what we're gonna do is... What are we gonna do? So I think that they're gonna have some kind of path to walk around. So I think we should start by making some kind of path. Is there like a path node? Path 3D. I wonder if this will do what I want it to do. Anyone know? I don't think so. Can I just do this or what? Oh god. Curve 3D? Maybe. Well, that wasn't exactly what I wanted. I mean, theoretically, could work, but it's not exactly what I wanted. Oh no, Path 3D. My condolences, those are awful to work with. I don't think I'm gonna use that. Let's see. I might literally just make like a node with a bunch of other nodes inside of it and just make them follow that. Curve 3D. There's no such thing as a curve 3D. Oh, that's a 2D node. 3D. Want 3D node. Node 3D. Path 1. If you want a path-like behavior, then a node with a bunch of children is a good solution. Well, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Node point 1 0 0. A curve 3D is a resource that the path 3D node uses, not a node by itself. Oh, okay. Well, that makes sense. Just gotta be a little silly. There. Now, if I just duplicate this and make another node that goes over here, duplicate another node that goes over here, just keep making nodes. I think that's the wrong one. There we go. There we go. Let's see. Oops. And then it could just go back to point 1. Alright, well, now let's go to, let's make a new, is a character node good for a non-player? Hopefully. I think it should be. Let's say Guy. And then give Guy to Collider. Give Collider box. Not box. I mean, it's fine. Box is fine. 6, 6, 6. There we go. Then we're gonna give him a sprite 3D. Sprite 3D. Then gonna give that this one. Wow. There he is. Flags. Animation. So I think we have technically 6 horizontal frame. Oh, that's 8. 6 horizontal frames and 3 vertical ones. Oh, 7? No. 5? 4? 3? Okay, well, that's not right. I mean, that's correct, but why is he... I guess I'll have to edit this picture later. Not right now. I don't feel like doing that right now. Also, why is he... How the fuck do I... How do I turn off filtering in Godot 4? Is it still over here? Am I blind? Call his name Bill? Can his name be Bill? Yeah, his name could be Bill. Am I stupid? Where the frick is filter? It's under flags? That's so stupid. There we go. Pixel Boy. That's so stupid. Why is it under flags? Bill. Alright, now Bill. Bill's kind of tiny. Bill gotta be bigger. Pixel Bill. Bill's gotta be a lot bigger. Oh, that's not good. Stupid frickin' cube is in the way. Huh? Huh? Oops, I want to F. F, there we go. Pixel Bill. Now I want to animation player. I just want to make him walk. That's it. That's all I want to do. 1 second. Auto loop. Add track. Track property. Nope, not that. Add track. Add track. Property track. Bill. Frame. Yes. Insert key. Insert key. Value 2. Value 1. There we go. Now he walk. Oh my god. Oh god. There he is. There he goes. Perfect. That's perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Save branch as root. Bill has swag. Scenes, assets, 2D, not assets. What is it? Characters. NPCs. Why'd he stop moving? Silly Bill. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Oh yeah, I forgot if you make it a thing, he moves back. So now I have to go back to here and move him back. Ugh. Alright, now we can start scripting him. Template? I don't need a template. Open. There we go. Is this fun? Are we having fun yet? I hope we're having fun. Export. How do I forgot. How do I export a path to a node? Export path to node Godot. Export node. In Godot 4, you can export a complete node instead. I just need the path though. I don't need. Well, I guess it would be. Let's see. Export node path. Then I want to be a node 3D. On ready. Oh. That's not what I want. Path to path. Okay. Now equals get node path to path. Why didn't that work? Unexpected identifier in class body. Oh. There we go. I'm gonna take off my hoodie real quick. It's getting kind of hot in here. Ugh. Oh, there we go. Bill. Bill Nye, the science guy. Bill. And then at on ready, path node. We want path equals path node dot get children. Science rules. And then func. I just want to test by printing this, and then we're gonna pass. And then we're gonna play the game. Oh, I didn't actually pass it through. Okay, well, let's go do that. Why is that happening? Okay, there we go. Path 1, assign, there we go. Super func. Let's make sure the game is actually showing up for you. It should. There we go. But that's not actually what we care about. What we care about is that now down here we have our list of path points. Now what we can do with this is we can go for on ready path 0 dot global position. And that will be our global position. Now, let's see. Var current point. Current point equals path 1. Now what I want to do is we want to get var direction equals global position dot direction to current point. Then move in the slide. You're making me want to open up Godot again. Go for it. I would recommend it. Equals, let's say, direction times 50 times delta. Which one is it? Which one is it? There we go. Delta. Currently we're working on a new project. Let's see. Invalid type function direction to. That's not good. Currently we're working on a new project where we're going to yeah, I forgot what I was gonna say. We're gonna make a new project. That's basically it. Var current point equals vector2 dot x and then dot z, then that's not what I want. Current pause. Then we want current point. End pause equals vector2 vector3 direction dot x, and then we want this to be 0.0, and we want this to be this times y, and then that should be it. It should just work. Fingers crossed, everyone. Nope. Invalid. Oh, we want global position. Wait, can't direction to get? No. Is there a direction to way for good old direction to vector 3? Is normalized distance to, that's not what I want. I want direction to. I guess not. I guess that would be kind of hard for for it to do. Now it's running at least. I'm so far, I should move myself closer to them. Where am I? Where's this? Oh yeah, the path is way over here. So we want to move the player way over here. There we go. Now he's walking to that point. Which is great. This is exactly what we want. Obviously could move a little faster. But you know what? They're trying their best. Also, we have nothing else set up. We don't have the rotation or anything set up, so it's just looking like this. Which is not exactly what we want. Okay, well, let's first make him move a little faster. And then what we're going to do is once it gets to this first point, then we want to start moving to the next point. So let's say our speed equals 500. That's actually probably going to be a lot. Let's say 250. Then we insert that here. Then if global run is prox equal prox 2 current pause dot global. No, we want current point dot global position. We want var point count equals 1. Point count plus equals 1 if point count greater than path dot size minus 1 greater than or equal to, then we want to make point count equal to 0. Then all we gotta do is go back here and throw in point count. It's as simple as that. And now, when we run this, oh, where'd they go? There they are. Going significantly faster now. Wow, there's a lot of people here right now. Oh, 19 views. I thought it was 19 viewers. That's fine. Things are going good. Doesn't matter how many people are here. They're still really slow. I should just make them run really fast. Make their thing like 1,000. Can I walk into them? Oh yeah, I gave them a collider. That's cool. Now, no, that's not what we want. Why did that not work? Well, how about distance to, let's say, less than 5. Okay, now, also, let's make their speed real fast, because they're taking forever. There we go. Ah, you're going too fast now, Bill. Oh, it worked. You probably missed that. They were going too fast. Oh, they got stuck here. I wonder why they got stuck there. Maybe this is too fast. No, that's weird. Why is it getting stopped there? Oh, because this one's up in the air for some reason. That's not good. We don't want that. We want it to be down on the ground, where they can actually get close enough to them. this one. Why is this one up in the air also? That's so stupid. Oh, I guess because I duplicated it. Oops. Well, there we go. There's our problem. Now figure on the game. Wait for it to show up. Waiting for OBS to... There we go. Now they'd be walking down the street. Once they get to that point, they can now walk over here. Can I not add a point between there and there? Oops. Bill, where are you going? Oh. I think it's skipping the last point. Interesting. I guess that's because I'm doing something silly. There they go. Bill's also very tall. Just saying. Bill, very tall. Very tall man. Can you walk into me? Oh, that's funny. He gets stuck on me. I mean, that's the idea, though. We're supposed to vampire him. There we go. And now Bill will walk in circles and circles and circles until the end of time. Yay, we did it. We did it, everyone. We did it. And now, basically the exact same process is going to be used to make cars and stuff. And then we're going to make it so that there's randomly generated characters that just randomly chooses a sprite and then randomly chooses a path or whatever. The stuff you're programming is so much more fun than the stuff I'm programming right now. Stuck on programming math stuff land. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, yeah. I'm making some... Well, that was the idea. We wanted to make something kind of simpler, but that had like a big land area. Still trying to figure out how this is all gonna work. But I think also my current thought is that there's gonna be a problem if there's like an indent in the ground, then this character will just walk over it. But I think I could solve that if I just made the check for distance 2D, which is fine. So yeah. Also can get potato chips. Well, that's good. That's 2 things knocked off my list already. Should probably take a screenshot of this. We have fun here. I'm gonna probably let's see, how long have I been streaming? I don't know. I guess I can keep working for a little bit longer. I kind of didn't do much all day, so I kind of feel bad that I haven't been. I kind of want to make their thing the sideways sprites. 4, 5, 6, 7. I think 7 is the one I want. Nope, that's backwards. 8, 9, if I just... Can I not right now? I want to click. Oh, I saw it there for a second. There he is. Then this one will be 14. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Oh goodness, Bill. Your head has been chomped off. What a shame. What a shame. There they are. Why do they like this? Why? There. Now they're walking on the ground at least. I'll fix that later. Where are they? Oh yeah, do the moonwalk, Bill. Go for it. How's the game development going? This is my answer. Oh, now he's walking in the right direction. All right. I need to I need to make his rotation different depending on where he's walking. That's gonna be annoying. Unless, maybe I could just... Oops. Why do they not have a script here? They should have a script. We could just get... We could just frickin' rotation.y equals direction dot rotation. And then we're done. Fuck. Is it angle? It might just be angle. There we go. Oh man, that's great. That's great. That I love that that just worked. There he goes. And then well, you know, that's not totally correct. That's not totally correct. What the scallop? Did the music end? I think the music end. Oh god, don't play Family Guy clips. Start over. Oh man, that's funny. YouTube almost auto-played 2 Family Guy clips. Oh my god. Give me pie. That's great. We love pie. Maybe if I made... more relaxing Family Guys clips to game dev too. That's funny. Maybe if I made it a billboard, it would work. Where are they? Nope, I think that made it worse. I think that just made it worse. Well... Returns the vector's angle with respect to 0, 1. Equivalent to a tan 2x, yx. Well, that's not exactly what I wanted. I mean, that should be right, I think. I don't know. I still have to do a lot of studying how, like, sprite-based 3D stuff works, because I currently have no idea what I'm doing. I also have to make a GitHub repository for this project, because that's how my partner for this game is going to add assets to the game. Where are they? Silly little guy. No more move. Go back. Well, I think that's where I should leave it for today. I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully.